Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Lisa News. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about BTS Tomorrow X Together, landing Billboard 200 top 5 rankings. Tomorrow X Together debuts high on Billboard with their 2026 comeback album at number 3 as BTS defies the chart's gravity again for the fifth consecutive week by earning our ranking of number 4 by Dia Mukherjee, updated 27 April 2026. Tomorrow X Together number 3 position on the Billboard 200 indicates a 67,000 pure sales figure. BTS currently holds at number 4 with Arirang even though it experienced a 21% drop, signaling a more controlled the simulations chart behavior of text and BTS maps to unique revenue arcs questing within K-pop's grandiose market playbook. In the high-stakes competition of the Billboard 200 rankings, K-pop has pivoted from a temporary guest to a permanent fixture of the chart. Notable this week's Billboard rankings offer a masterclass in market capture led by K-pop featuring a fresh entry by Tomorrow X Together and a defensive hold by their elder label-mate BTS. Jack's Billboard 200 latest album ranking. Jack's new album chart debut comes with seventh year, a moment of stillness in the thrones with his new creation. Jack's new album chart position in the US is number 3 on Billboard 200. The album was logged a total of 69,000 equivalent album units. Notable of those units, 67,000 units were accounted by pure sales and 2,000 by stream equivalent sales. As noted by media outlet RGM Ratings Team Music, at the Tomorrow X Together Billboard 200 ranking depicts a rare fan-first engine that bolstered the group to its career's 8 top 10 entry. Although they currently trail after US mainstays Ina Langley and Morgan Wallen, the momentum of the group cannot be denied. According to Billboard Korea domestically, the title track Stick With You has already garnered 5 music show honors, including wins at Show Champion and Inciogo on the Go. The group is now shifting to a greater media blitz, including the first May 2026 release of a variety series called Text Parenting Diary on Brave, was this text's highest Billboard 200 position. According to chart data, Tomorrow X Together's highest Billboard 200 ranking is number 1 achieved by their EP The Name Chapter, Temptation in February 2023, in addition to their current chart-topping new album 7th Year. A Moment of Stillness in the Thorns, which debuted at number 3 in April 2026. There are several other high-ranking entries from the group. The Billboard full list for top performing K-pop songs is given below. The name chapter Temptation, peak position 1, weeks on chart 19. The star chapter Sanctuary, peak position 2, weeks on chart 4. 7th year, A Moment of Stillness in the Thrones, April 2026, peak position 3rd, current debut. BTS Billboard 200 ranking details. However, the industry observers remains fixated on the number 4 slot where BTS Arirang continues to elongate their chart run. Despite a 21% decline to 62,000 units this week as reported by Billboard Korea, the decline is relatively a smaller issue in comparison to the album's historic chart runs and peaks. According to Korea Jonghyun Daily, BTS' new album sold around 78,000 units, indicating a 31% drop. The week prior, while it was placed at number 3, this is best first full group comeback is 4 years after their military hits, which arrived with a huge 641,000 unit opening as reported by Billboard. As Arirang enters its fifth consecutive week of success, it showcases that the album is now in a stabilization phase. The album's peak success was further defined when it held the number one position for three consecutive weeks, marking a first for any K-pop act. For an album to maintain its position within the top five even after its debut month in a streaming-dominated market depicts a rarity, which emphasizes that the group's return surge is a systemic event rather than a usual routine release. How many times has BTS topped the Billboard 200 K-pop global chart success? Chronological list of K-pop Billboard 200 number one albums. Tomorrow X Together was BTS Billboard chart comparison. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Goodbye.